Welcome to the class on universal human values. Dear students, in the last classes we have discussed about trust and respect. Okay, so what is trust, what is respect? That is right evaluation. So but it doesn't happen. What actually we do either we do the over evaluation and under evaluation. So in the last class we have discussed using some examples. Okay, or we do the otherwise evaluation, evaluate the other person what actually he is or she is not. Okay, okay. So sometimes in the society you can see we don't do right evaluation. Sometimes we differentiate the human being on the basis of body. So this is called differentiation. We differentiate the human being on the basis of body, like fair and black. Okay, Negroes people am like a black people, and like the British people, what British people used to do that they think themselves they are the fair person and others are black. Like Indians, all the Indians they treat them as a black. Okay, and they think themselves as a fair person. Okay, so this differentiation occur according to the body color, fairness, or okay, and it can also happen like somebody is handicapped, so we treat those person differentially in the society, like physically handicapped. Okay, or we can also take the example of, so on the basis of body also there are the different kind of differentiation, like age, this can be age, this can be gender, race and physical strength. Okay, so in the society we can see the many more example of this differentiation. We differentiate among the children and adult. We do not treat the children as a respected person. Sometimes we think these are the children, what they can do, and we treat them as a, we don't give the respect to them. If they are telling the good things to us, yes, our children can tell me some good things also, but we do not listen, we take them, this is not the right thing. We evaluate those things according to the age, like this is told by elder, this is told by children. Okay, so this happens in the society. We mistreat the children, sometimes we do that, and we do not evaluate their proper potential. Okay, like I have given you the example of, Thomas Alva Edison and Einstein. Okay, they were not considered as a responsible and significant person in their childhood. Okay, so multiple times they have been scolded by their parents and class teacher because they didn't get the good marks in their class. Sometimes the Einstein and Thomas Alva Edison, they used to fail in the examination also. Okay, because they used to write down their own theories in the books. They do not copy so many things in their examination notebooks. So this is the example, but you can see the Einstein has given the theory of relativity at the age of 11 years. Okay, gender, according to the gender we do not give the respect, like we think the males are superior in the society, and this is the superiority complex of all the males. They consider themselves as a superior person than the female, but this is not the true. Okay, and this is nowadays, okay, before the 100 years also they think themselves they are very good, they are more significant, they have more intelligence than the female, but this is not the true. Now it has been revealed by the education system, by the result also, by all the result of this university and other university. Generally the female the girl student used to get more medals than the boy student. Okay, so this is revealed by the today's result. The all are equal, so there is no difference between the intelligence of male and female. But due to our tradition, this is the drawback of the old system. This is the old tradition, this is the old trauma. Okay. And one another example I am giving you, the example of transgender. We do not consider them as a significant person, and we do not allow them in the job also, and even they have their rights also. But nowadays you can see there are a few examples, several multiple transgenders are politician also. They are involving the, they are nowadays there is a provision, some companies they do the job, they give the, they provide the job, and they are involved in the different kind of work. Race. So on the basis of race there is a differentiation. We do not give respect. We treat them according to the, like Negroes and Caucasians, Indians, such well. So according to race we treat differentially, like Caucasian person, like Negroes, and within India also we treat the, like South Indian treat the North Indian, they think that North Indian people are bad, and North Indian people think they are the, they are superior than, okay, on the basis of race कह सकते हैं, according to their color appearance. This miscommunication is happening due to their skin color. Okay. Okay. On the basis of physical strength also we also discriminate people. Somebody is having the good body physique. Okay. So on the basis of that, like height and other things. So other things are also responsible. Sometimes some people used to, okay, give the taunt on the appearance or anything they can give. Okay. So this is responsible for differentiation, and we cannot say that the respect is not equal for everybody, because differentiation exists in the society. So we need to work for the correction of that, for the eradication of this kind of differentiation. Until or unless you remove this differentiation, you cannot correct, you cannot imagine the equal society, the fair society. Okay. So this is the way. Next, misunderstanding. What is misunderstanding? Body. The why the reality is human being is coexistence of self and body. So we exist as a self and body. Self and body. So we only discriminate on the basis of body. We just do not think what is their self. Initial appearance, what affect you? That is the appearance, outer appearance. But human behavior is affected by the self also. So self is also important, but we do not consider self in the differentiation. Although the jobs are given according to the quality of self, like we have different kind of post according to the quality, and on the basis of IQ level we have different kind of competitive examination, interview. After that we student is selected in the different kinds of job. So that is a differentiation according to their quality of self. Like somebody is working in the army and somebody is working as a teacher. So this is the differentiation according to their quality of self, not the body. Differentiation according to physical facility. Sometimes in the society we differentiate the people on the basis of physical facility. Okay, if somebody is rich and somebody is poor, how much wealth they have accumulated. So how do you evaluate? Post. According to the post we differentiate, but this is required because according to the post, so we should behave according to the post, but ultimately we should think all are human beings. What is common among all, whether it is peon or whether it is officer, but all are human beings. The quality of self, the self is everything. What means we all are human. So you are the student, I am the teacher, but we all are human beings. Okay. On the basis of wealth we differentiate among the society. Somebody has the different kind of facility. Somebody has a big home or multiple cars or different things, different facilities. Whatever they have accumulated, on the basis of that people used to and post. So these are the other two examples, and these are the problem of our society. Because of this problem, the poor people, they try to copy the behavior of the other person, which they cannot fulfill their requirement, because we are observing in the society, the other person is observing in the society that others are doing that, I should also do that, I also require that. They do not think this is a requirement of ourselves or not. They just focus that because others are doing that and I have to do that. Okay. So they need to think according to themselves. If they need the car, they should purchase that. But if they do not need that, so they don't need to purchase. But they do not think the how much money I have. So we should promote this type of education. So gross misunderstanding. What is gross misunderstanding? The physical facility is required for happiness. This is true? This is not true. This is the misunderstanding that physical facility is required for happiness. This is the gross misunderstanding which is caused by the differentiation on the basis of post and wealth. Even you go in the marriage party or some party, the people discriminate on the basis of the kind of appearance. Happiness is being in the state of harmony. So when we are living with too much contradiction, how we can imagine the harmony? Differentiation is also caused by the belief. Belief means ism, sect and information. This we have already discussed, that on the basis of religion, sect, we discriminate the people, like this is Hindu, this is Muslim. Okay. Even in the Hindu system, there is the 52 sampradaya, 52 traditions, and everybody discriminate on the basis of that. Somebody is following up, somebody is following up the different kind of tradition. After the marriage, this also creates the problem. Okay, suppose female are practicing their own tradition, but if they go into the in-laws, they have to practice the another kind of tradition. So that is all the differentiation according to the belief, sect, information के basis पे भी, on the basis of information we also discriminate. So religion, sampradaya, tradition, this is also responsible for the violation and discrimination. This is causing so much degradation of values. We are fighting over these issues, like we are Hindu, we are Muslim, our tradition is this. What is gross means, why this occur in the society? Misunderstanding is occurring due to the preconditioning of the other matches. What is preconditioning? Because whatever you have been taught since your childhood, you have been taught that you are the Hindu, you are this person, you are Muslim. Because as you born on the earth, you have been taught these values. So this is the gross misunderstanding. While the reality is every human being is like me. Like we have 2 hands, 2 eyes, we have the ears, we have 2 legs. So this is the similar thing. We are all similar. We are all same. Every human being is like me. A misunderstanding is that we are different from each other. Because by the preconditioning, we have been learned that we are Hindu, we are Muslim, we are Sikh and we are Sai. So this is the pattern that you have been taught since your childhood by your parents, but by the society also. Now you need to analyze. Okay. So these are the old kind of differentiation that we practice in the society. So we need to remove this pattern. We need to correct these old patterns to live with the definite human contact. Then only you can imagine the society with the universal human values. So you need to correct this pattern, old pattern, differentiation. We differentiate on the basis of male, female, body. So we need to correct this pattern, because these are the cause of gross misunderstanding. Without working on these, you cannot imagine the good society with the universal human value. So you need to work for this, for the correction of these patterns, without being, what we can say, excited. Without being excited, we have to work normally. Okay. So this was the lecture of today. Okay. Now attendance. So to work on the differentiation problem in the society, to work for the differentiation problem in the society, you have to live with the definite human conduct. Then only the people can follow up you. Roll number 67. Absent.